Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with a little 411 on using ratchet straps. These are super useful tie downs that you can use both in and around your home or for transporting anything or securing things that you need to have a really solid hold. Now these are canvas straps. They typically come with a hook and another length like this. This particular one you can see is about 3/4 of an inch wide of canvas, and they're rated, so it all depends on what you're going to be holding. This particular one has a 12-foot long extension strap right here and has a working load of 500 pounds. What you'll find is that the thicker the canvas and the wider the canvas on the strap, the more hold that it has, and they're pretty easy to use. Now in this particular thing, I'm just going to illustrate how you could perhaps anchor this box to this pallet. I'm going to get down here, and basically what I'm going to do with this separated, I'm going to just take the strap and the hook. I'm going to actually hook these to themselves, which you can do with the strap. You can either hook it to something or back around to itself. So I'm just going to go underneath this pallet like this, just have that go like that. And now I'm going to load this strap into this side of the ratchet strap. You see that little slot right there? I'm just going to take that that loose end of the strap and click it through there. That's the part that's going to actually allow you to tighten it up. So I'm just going to take up that slack very easily, as you can see. And then I'll bring this hook up here so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this hook and I'm just going to go through this eyelet right here, because that'll give you the hold that you're going for. Now with this pulled tightly, okay, I'm going to take this part of the strap and I'm going to start to ratchet it. Thus the name ratchet strap. And you can see each time that you do that, it tightens down and gives you a super secure hold. Look at that. Now you could use a couple of these to secure something like this. You take up whatever slack you have and tie that off. So let's say that you have a pickup truck or an SUV and you need to move items and you don't want them to roll around in the back of the car or the back of the pickup. Typically pickup trucks have tie downs that you can put these hooks through to hold them down. They're inexpensive, they're super sturdy, and really, quite frankly, quite useful. Now when you go to release it, you're done, you need to move this. There's a button right here. See this black button on this? You're gonna pull that, you're gonna take the strap all the way over, and then you're gonna click it, and it releases it, and now you feed that through and you're done. Now another option, because now you're going to roll this up, you know, to kind of keep it nice and neat. This is an item from our partners over at the Grommet. It's essentially almost like a retractable tape measure and a ratchet strap built in one. You can see how it's got its own self-rolling coil here to keep it all set. You just extend it back and forth based on what you're going to need, and it keeps it nice and organized. You've got a lot of options when it comes to ratchet straps. As you can see, they're very easy to use. Just stop by your local Ace hardware store and they'll have everything you need.